fish on, fish on. Here we go. That was quick.
Bring him in. Yeah, if it was a tuna, that reel would be smoking.
Cooking, brother. Well, he's in. Nah, he's fighting strong too. Is he gonna get in it? No, he'll be all right.
You're not in the middle.
When he gets this in dead,
you're
turn
good.
down, kind of pointed up towards the BE.
Your rod ready now.
Good.
Nice. Nice. Woo!
Yeah.
Way to go. Not bad for the
Get
first.
a picture, put on the rod holder, get a
30
picture
seconds.
and throw him away. It's 36.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Have you thrown it back like that before?
And all 4 rods hooked up right now.
Oh, shoot. We're going to have some action now. Back to the left. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, nice.
You got him, Ed?
Oh, yeah. I'll get this one. Yeah, nice blue. Ah, here we go, right there. Nice, nice bluefish. There we go.
Yeah, baby.
Nice bluefish, bud.
Yeah.
We'll put him back, all right?
Throw it back.
Woo!
Want to hold that there and then get it in the clip.
Yeah.
That's a healthy fish, huh?
Now this is living. See that? Oh, fish on, fish on. Here we go. That was quick. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one. Oh, yeah, come on. Oh, yeah, nice one. Okay. That's what we're talking about right there, folks. Striper fishing. Right here with Plymouth Charters out of Plymouth, Massachusetts. Doesn't get any better than this.
Almost feels like a bluefish. But it's a striper though. It is. It's a good sized fish, huh? Yippee! Only took 4 swats, baby. Awesome. Good. Yeah. I just drop them every time I try and pick them up. Yeah.
Fish on! There he is, right there. What'd I tell you? All these stripers are coming in here feeding on these sand eels right now. So we're dropping these 5-6 ounce jigs right down to them. Using the metal wire to keep it down in the strike zone. And look out, we're doubled up right here. Right here with Captain Mark Owens of Plymouth Charters.
Right out of here. It's a good sized fish, huh?
One more just for you. Give him a kiss.
Yeah, but I still feel
You know, when you're jigging it and it stops like that, don't drop the rod back down. Just stop reeling. There's no stretch in this line. So as soon as you drop it back, you're gonna put slack in it. The hook will fall out. Might have a contender for big fish.
Oh, that's a hoss, man. That's a big boy.
They go to neutral, Daddy. Start gaining. It's a big one.
I'm trying to show you up, Scotty.
It's Jimmy Hoffa.
If you're interested in booking with Captain Mark Owens of Plymouth Charters for bluefin tuna, stripers, or sharks, look us up on the web at plymouthcharters.com.